Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial. So, in this tutorial, now we'll concentrate on like last time we created a Play Store account and we uploaded one app into the Play Store. Now, I want to update the Play Store app. So, how to update that Play Store app? Now we'll able to see this. So here I'll take one of the example of this. So it's already uploaded. So now I want to update this app, means I want to release a new version of the app. So how we will do that? So for this, it's a very simple. How we can do this is just first, as we discussed earlier, when we want to update new application in our Android Studio, we will change that version code and version name. Both will update. After that update, we'll release an APK. So once we release that APK from the Android Studio, that APK here just will come to this release management. Nothing not required about other things. Just will come to this app releases here. Must and should, that should be different with these two version code as well as this version. So now just click on this edit. Once you click on this edit, from here just browse. Once you browse, it will shows the next level. See here, it will shows all our what is the version of this, everything this, and here once we have to have older apks, here this should be. Once I upload here, we need to update what are the updates are there in this particular apk that you can have, and click on review. Once you click on review here, then immediately it will ask to start rolled out. Just click on the start rolled out. Then once you submit that, once you submit that updated apk in a store, it take 5 to it's take 1 to 5 hours maximum. It should be updated in a play store. Nowadays it's as we discussed in the last video also, because of this covid, it's taking too much of time. Now it's taking more than 6 hours, but as usually it will take 0 to 6 hours of the time. It should be updated in a play store. So that is the way we can upload app into this play store here. From here this, so in case today just now I updated one apk. After I updated that apk, then it's a almost it's a live. Then I observed there are a few changes as required and so many bugs. Then just click on this retain. Once you click on this retain, this apk can be deleted from here. And now this is a version 3. Version 2 apk should be available to the end users. As of now what it's as of older version, when that provision also there from here, this that you can check from here, that you can do from here. Just retain, just click on that retain. Just it will ask us confirmation, so deactivate. Once you deactivate this, in place of this, the older apk automatically it should be come in a live, because whatever the apks as of now you uploaded, either it should 10 20 whatever it should be, that all apks are available here. So it should come immediate lower version to the live. So that should be here this. So this is how to update or how to deactivate a new version of this. Thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates. In our next video, here I'll explain you about this, how to check analytics and crash reporting and all of this. Thank you.